So most people in crypto know that Coinbase is the biggest crypto exchange in the whole world. When crypto and Bitcoin is starting to pump, and we saw this last year when we reached a new all-time high, 73,000, when BlackRock announced the Bitcoin ETF, everyone saw that Coinbase exchange is trending on App Store, on Google App Store, on Apple App Store. And why this is bullish is because most people don't know that the Base chain, the Base network is actually created by the Coinbase. They invested around $500 million in Base network to create this chain. And what makes me so bullish is that you can see that Ethereum is starting to go back up. My target for Ethereum is around $12,000, the highest that it will reach in 2025, in my opinion. And everyone knows that Ethereum gas fees are high. That's why everyone moved to Solana. And that's why there are so many layer 2s on Ethereum that have basically 0 to 2 cent gas fees, similar to Solana. In my opinion, the Base chain, the Base network will be the biggest one because, again, Coinbase is the biggest exchange. That's why Base layer 2 will be the biggest layer 2 from all of them. And there has been a lot of speculation that they will actually drop a Base token, which means that if you do transactions, if you buy, sell meme coins, whatever, if you add liquidity, provide liquidity in the Base network, you will qualify for the Base airdrop. But what I want to talk about is Base meme coins. How you can find Base meme coins is really easy. You go on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you sort by name, and you find the Base ecosystem really easy right here. You click on it. Now you can see all projects, all coins, all altcoins that are on Base network. And you can see that there are only 2 meme coins that have reached around $1 billion in market cap. There are so many undervalued meme coins. That's why I'm really bullish, because when the perfect storm comes, when the retail is here, they will use the Coinbase exchange because that's the first exchange in the world and they are really familiar with this exchange. That's why they will be still using it. Recently, Coinbase actually listed this meme coin, Degen. Second bullish fact is that Brian Armstrong is starting to shill different meme coins. For example, you can see here, Dog in Me is basically a $32 million market cap meme coin. That's why it pumped 80 to 100% when he talked about it and posted it on X. And I think meme coins on Base are really undervalued compared to Solana. And looking at the fact that Coinbase actually listed Degen, which is meme coin, there is a high possibility that they will list other meme coins as we approach Bitcoin to 90,000, maybe even 100,000 this year. That's why I think Base meme coins, Base projects overall are really undervalued. And this video is not a financial advice. Coinbase themselves, actually, here you can see they tweeted that retail is back and the new crypto bull run is here. That's why if you want to start trading on Coinbase, you can use my referral link to get a big bonus for trading. All the links are in the description and in the comment section. And if you are looking at meme coins on Base, there are so many great options like Degen, Dog in Me, Base God, and many others that I will be doing reviews about. And how you can start transacting on Base chain is really easy. You can just use the same MetaMask, add the Base chain, buy some Ethereum. You can also buy it with credit card on MetaMask. You can also buy the Ethereum on Coinbase and just send it to your wallet. And if there are some legit meme coins that are not rugs, let me know in the comment section down below. I will most likely do a review about them if they are legit and great. And if you want to find some undervalued meme coins on Base, you can follow me on X. I am posting daily. You can also follow Brian Armstrong, the Coinbase CEO. He's actually starting to post meme coins. Another great account is Jesse Polak. He's actually one of the Coinbase members, one of the Base members, the team members. He's also posting a lot of bullish coins, meme coins. He's having fun and we are having fun this crypto bull run. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.